Alright, y'all, back again for another video. It's your boy. So today, literally, what just got in the mail, dang on there 15 seconds ago, got us a brand new alternator. So do got us a brand new alternator for this here Acura dog. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna boost this mug off. I'm gonna let this mug charge. I'm probably gonna go stomp on it and hopefully put some exhaust on it. I know I keep talking about the exhaust. I've been trying to incorporate it into one vlog or the next, but I'm gonna put this alternator on.
Yeah, got that good shade going at the moment. Sure do.
Alright, so check it. Ain't that many videos out there on how to change the alternator on this mug. It's one video that I seen show you how to change the belt. So once I get this belt off this mug, I'ma just get the unbolting stuff. I'ma just unbolt the yank. When that mug get loose, I'll put everything back together. So yeah, let's get it the Kenny way. Alright, so check it. Dude on the video was like, if you I'll show y'all in a second. If you get this here, it's a 12. You got to get an open end wrench, put a 12 on it, loosen it all the way, and that mug ought to drop down. Mine ain't moved, and I still got good tension on this here belt. And I'm trying to figure out what's going on before I just up and start unbolting stuff like a madman. Boy. Then it's all deep down in. It ain't just deep like talking about, but it's down in there and stuff. I'm just kind of like, dang, boy, why this mug couldn't be built like no Chevrolet? God, dog, I could have been done by now. But hey, I'm gonna push through it. Ain't got no choice. This mug paid for it and bought. It's got to go on. So stay tuned. I'm finna get it out.
Ooh, you see that? You see that, boy? Yeah. Now that I can say I know how to yank that mug out, I guess I'm a time lapse and put the new one back in. Let's get it.
I'm gon' cut me a new fit. I had it out with that old shit. Now it's time for me some new shit. No, I can't scrap out that hoe. No, I'm just gon' give me a new bitch. No, I can't scrap out that shit. I just waste on my shirt. I'ma cut me a new fit. No, I can't straight cut that car broke down. I'm just gon' go cut me a new whip. I had it out with that old shit. Now it's time for me some new shit. No, I can't scrap out that hoe. No, I'm just gon' give me a new bitch. No, I can't scrap out that shit. I just waste on my shirt. I'ma cut me a new fit. No, I can't straight cut that car broke down. I'm just gon' go cut me a new whip. I had it out with that old shit. Now it's time for me some new shit. It's time for me some new shit. Finna cash out on a new whip. No, I can't scrap out that hoe. No, I'm just gon' cut me a new bitch. I test the bitch I been fucking. I told her, little baby, look, I just can't do this. It's time for me some new shit. I can't put up with your bullshit.
Alright, y'all. I don't know what happened. My time lapse cut short, but I got everything back the way how it was before I started. Gonna fill it up with some water, crank it up, see what it's talking about. Got that new alternator tucked up down in there. Yeah. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm boosting it off at the moment. Got dog. I'm gonna let it sit here and idle about 10-20 minutes, 10-15 minutes. And I crank it up, whip it around the block. See what it's. I have no clue why this thing was squeaking so loud. Everything over here is tight in the middle. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Yeah, this mug hollering, boy. This mug hollering. Got that scream at you pack. Oh, there you go. Bet. Okay. Yeah, got quarter over there. Got dog. Got 2 of the 3 exhaust bolts, so I'm just trying to get that one right there at the top. Took the wheel off for a little bit more clearance to see if I can get home. Alright, so I got the exhaust off. My plans is to cut it like right here and then straight pipe on out. But for now, you can't see it. You might can if I aim right, but it's just dumped. But yeah, got the exhaust off. Let's crank it up. Race car. Boy, them brakes kick it, boy. Boy, them brakes kick. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. I don't think that's what we mean.
LONG, baby, nigga, y'all know what's up. Smiling at these haters like, look at my grill. No. Give me a new bit. I'm just gonna cut me a new whip. I'm gonna cut me a new fit. I had it out with that old shit. Now it's time for me some new shit. No, I can't scrap at that old, no. I'm just gonna give me a new bit. No, I can't scrap at that shit. I just waste on my shirt. I'ma cut me a new fit. No, I can't scrap cause that car broke down. I'm just gonna go cut me a new whip. I had it out with that old shit. Now it's time for me some new shit. No, I can't scrap at that old, no. I'm just gonna give me a new bit. No, I can't scrap at that shit. I just waste on my shirt. I'ma cut me a new fit. No, I can't scrap cause the car broke down. I'm just gonna go cut me a new whip. I had it out with that old shit. Now it's time for me some new shit. It's time for me some new shit. Finna cash out on a new whip. No, I can't scrap at that hoe, no. I'm just gonna cut me a new bitch. I test the bitch I been fucking. I told her, little baby, look, I just can't do this. It's time for me some new shit. I can't put up with your bullshit. Out with the old, in with the new. I just got booked to open up for blow. Oh, yeah. It's time to go cut me a new fit. I can't forget about the new kit. Replace the hoe like a substitute. You a bitch, nigga, can't fuck with you.
I wasn't satisfied with that last one. So this how we gonna do it. This how we gonna do it. We gonna do it. Got the Uber out here? Yeah. Got dog. Let's burn them up. That's how you do it, boy. That's how you do it. You know I wasn't gonna let y'all down like that, man. Hey, you already know what to do. Put a thumbs up right now for an epic burnout, man. Got the Uber out here, hold me down. You know what I'm talking about, man. Hey, man, look, bro. You already know how it go, man. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. You feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. You know I'm out. Yeah. Keep it going.